Hello everyone. ACC written results are out. You can check out the Gurudeva's SSB batches which are upcoming for ACC entry and other serving soldiers entry. So this is just a reminder, batches are open. You can click on the link below or you can contact the number given in the description so that you can reach out and you can inquire about that thing. Now you can watch the video, his journey, how he has done well, how he got guidance from here, how it helped him in SSB and how he got recommended. That's it from my side.
Session, but before that, 15 minutes. It has been a tradition over the years. Since the time I'm here, since 2013, anybody who gets recommended and who manages to come to Pune or who is a localite, he definitely comes to this academy to share his experience. How was his experience there at the SSB? So today we have a very special guest. So let's welcome Sipai Suraj Upadhyay. Give him a big hand, really big hand. Sipai Suraj has not only got recommended, but he has come All India rank 15, and he is proceeding for his training at Lucknow. He got recommended from Prayagraj, if I'm not wrong. It was his third attempt overall. He was screened out twice before. This was for the AMC NT entry, right? I hope you understand what is AMC NT entry. Total 49 candidates had got recommended all over the country. Out of that, 10 were from Gurudeva's Academy, and now 41 have come in the merit. Out of that, 9 are from Gurudeva's Academy. प्राउड मोमेंट फॉर अस. कितने सारे इंडिया में एकेडमी और कितने कोचिंग सेंटर हैं, तो 40 बंदे जो ज्वाइन करने वाले और लेफ्टिनेंट बन जाएंगे दिसंबर में. 3 महीने बाद इनका immediately they get commission and it's a 3-month course only. So 9 will be Gurudeva. So I'll not speak much. I will hand over the mic to Sipai Suraj. He's from Command Hospital Southern Command, right? He's lab assistant there. He has also given ACC entry before. He was twice screened out for ACC and then he got recommended for MC. So first we'd like to hear from him about his general feeling, how he feels of becoming an officer, which he will become in December. So general feeling, and then a little bit about what were his problems and how did he fare there in the SSB screening, psych and interview. Yeah, Suraj, please.
Thank to all. Just 2-3 months ago, I was sitting here that and 2 candidates got recommended, and I was watching that maybe someday I will sit here and sir, and it was a dream, and that dream came true with the help of Gurudeva Academy, and I got to learn many things from here, and I was just an average student here, and so we used to come here, and Rajendra was my buddy here, and we used to come here and we used to say यार Rajendra used to say यार हमारा होगा या नहीं होगा. तो मैं बोलता था कि यार ऐसा तो है नहीं यार, हम जब किसी और का हो सकता है, एवरेज ही है, तो हमारा भी हो सकता है. तो आई जस्ट वांट टू से कि हम सारे एवरेज ही हैं यहाँ पे, और जो भी है बिलीव अपने आप पे रखिए और हो जाता है. सो अब ये हमारे mentors, they taught us very well, and everything they taught us, and the tricks, how to take the lead, and how to write the stories. I didn't know very much about how to write the stories properly, and I got to learn from here only कि कैसे लिखना है, how to the first part and the last part, and how to narrate the story. I was also very shy, and I came here and narrated many stories. I narrated almost 20 stories, 15 stories narrated, and learned many stories here. So it helps. It really helps a lot.
It was not easy for him. Like many of you are doing nothing and you're on leave or yeah. He used to do the night duty. And then he used to come, and then after lunch he used to get rush and bus and then go and then come back. He used to get calls कि आ जाओ कुछ काम होगा. Then he used to come back. And he used to, night duty and morning classes he used to do. So that was not easy. Am I right?
Yes. Sometimes I didn't used to do the homework, and I wrote only 4 stories, and I was in the default list. But it's okay because I had to do it. Even the night duty, there are many challenges in your life. It's not only my life. Everybody has challenges, but how to overcome it and how to perfectly implement it in your curriculum, how to excel it and gather knowledge and the thing that Waz sir has told us कि कहीं का भाग खिचड़ी नहीं पकाना है, just focus what is taught here and it really helps a lot. क्योंकि every mentor is here, they will correct you. And the psychologist says, Colonel Sinha sir, their guidance is much. I don't think we need anything from the outside because it messes up. And fortunately I did not do any mess up and I did not mix up because I came here a year ago. I was preparing for ACC entry, in which tri-services soldiers give exam. I think there are some soldiers here and they are also giving ACC. So ACC exam and after that I was not able to qualify. I screened out in SSB and then I gave a AMCNT. So this time I was able to make it, and it's only because I was here, I was regular and
little bit about what happened in your OR. We won't talk much. I hope you must have done well. PPDT, what was your experience? And you got screened out twice before. So what did you do this time? बोले नहीं बोले, narration कैसे था, क्या हुआ इस PPDT में? प्रयागराज.
So, yes sir. In PPDT, picture was some people wrote different stories. But
what was the picture?
Picture was there was a street and there was a dustbin and someone was doing some work and some kind of broom and all. And some people had made stories very much very highlighted the stories like they made on the. So what was visible on the picture, I wrote about it, and as I have already wrote the stories on cleanliness drive. So I just went with the simple story, and I did not make complex story. And I before the narration part, I had memorized it 50 to 20 times. And
Please mark what he's saying. Before he went for narration at the SSB, he kept revising it 15 to 20 times. Yeah.
And my narration was very good. And only 3 people wrote on the cleanliness drive. But we were able to convince the whole group that it was a cleanliness drive. So it's not like कि सबको जबरदस्ती बताना है कि हाँ भाई यही लेना है, यही लेना है. But you have to present your point in that way that they get convinced. And after all this, and they got they nominated me to narrate the story.
You got the final narration.
Yes.
Before that, were you able to give points in the PPDT?
Yes. I gave almost 3 to 4 points, and I narrated the story. So after narration, I was convinced कि अब तो screening तो हो ही जाएगा. And screening was good, and in the GTO part, the technique that here taught really helped me because knowledge is important, because without knowledge you can't speak. Knowledge is important, and as well as the trick how to take the lead. People have the knowledge, but taking the lead and how to the thing that also helped me because giving the lead to other also, those who can't speak, and those if you think he's not able to speak and only dominating people are speaking. So I gave lead to some two of my colleagues. I requested the group to allow them to speak also. So that was also taught here. It's not like I was very generous. So and also I would say in the
Psychology, how many did you do?
Psychology I have done, as Waz sir said, कि बैट में तो कोई चांस नहीं है. You have to do 60 words all, and story that you have to write all the stories, and it should be meaningful. So everything was in my mind, and in the bat that helped me a lot. Really helped me because when I came here, I used to write stories that on like I used to describe the word. There are some like a friend is given, so I used to describe the friend. But the Waz have changed my mindset, and I changed my mindset, and association. It's all association. So I associated every word like, so it is very easy to associate words.
You completed all 60?
Yes, all
SRT
60.
completed.
SRT I have done 47 SRTs I have done.
Stories you completed.
Stories are, yes sir, stories all completed.
STT अच्छा लिखा था आपने?
Yes sir, STD I have just memorized the story, SDT, because there is no much time for the SDT. Even it looks like कि हाँ अभी time दे रहा है बहुत सारा, but it's not much time to write the SDT. And
After site test you were feeling good about it, that it went fine.
yes, it was fine because VAT is all and stories are written, and I've written some kind of innovative stories also. The stories there was most, because I am a soldier, so most of the pictures were soldier related. So the new defense tech that are introduced in the army current, it is, I think it is applicable to all, because knowing about the defense forces and other weapons really helps. That helps me in the attack stories, because I've read about the light battle tanks like Zorawa tank, and how they integrated the equipment, in it. And also I've written, there was a story on how to the two people were climbing on the snowy mountain. There was snow available, snowfall, and so I've written a normal story, because normal story तो था ही कि हाँ वो climb कर रहे हैं, they were doing duty. So I've introduced कि Major Ram, he implemented solar chips on the clothing and on the snow jacket, and due to which they were able to maintain the temperature, the minus temperature also they were able to maintain at least 20 to 25 degrees Celsius on the on inside temperature. So I don't know, it came into my mind because that also helped, because if you write innovative stories, so I think that helped me. And in the
about GTO series, GD में कैसे हुआ dominating group था, and you had other Gurudeva people also in your group. Yeah.
I had 3 Gurudeva people. One I was known, and the other one I did not know he was from Gurudeva. From his way of talking and how he was taking the lead, I got to know that he is also Gurudevite. So we cooperated. He was also cooperative. So sometimes he took the lead, sometimes I took the lead, and that's how it was like we cooperated a lot, and that gave us edge on the GTO. And GTO
GD में बोलने का मौका मिलता था, नहीं मिलता था, dominating था.
Dominating तो इतना नहीं था, medium, because it was a fresher group, so medium था. But some people are dominating. They by nature they are dominating, even it is a fresher or it is a not. So some people give rash points, and some people will move away from the topic. And as I was attentive, I got to know that he is not it is irrelevant to the topic. So I used to say, gentlemen, our topic is this. I think we are slightly deviating from our topic, and this is our problem, and this is how we should deal it. So a little bit of attention also.
I'm really surprised the way he's speaking his English. जब यहाँ क्लास करता था तब तो ऐसी इंग्लिश ये नहीं बोलता था, अभी अचानक एकदम अच्छे इंग्लिश बोलने लगा. Yeah, very nice.
Thank you, sir. It was because I was very shy. I will say I was below average. I was not, because that's why I was saying Rajinder और मैं बोलते थे यार हमारा कैसे होगा. तो just believe in yourself, and I believed in myself कि हाँ मैं उसको बोलता था हमारा हो सकता है, वैसा नहीं. तो हो जाता है. It's not a very
anything about GPE.
GPE
special, if you remember some things which can help them in their area.
GPE में I would say everything that is taught here had helped me, because उसमें there was one problem that we have to leave behind. There is in every picture, but the group was not convincing. They were saying नहीं हम तो इसको लेंगे. So I was leading the group, almost leading the group in discussion में भी. So I said, okay, if you are taking it, we will send 2 people here also. And I have contributed a lot, many points in the GP, and they gave me the final edition. हाँ भाई उनको मतलब if you are I was controlling the group in the GP. So I gave
क्या
the final
आप
edition.
पॉइंट्स के साथ स्टिक थे या आप देख रहे थे दूसरे बोल रहे तो आप बोल रहे थे ठीक है भाई चलो इसको भी ले
Yes,
लेते हैं?
yes. वही मतलब दूसरों का पॉइंट भी इंक्लूड करना था एंड दूसरे बोल भी रहे थे तो उनको सुनना भी था एंड ऑल्सो गिविंग माई पॉइंट इन दैट बिकॉज अगर हम सुनेंगे तब बोलेंगे कि हाँ बिकॉज समवन इज डूइंग रॉन्ग, समवन इज सेइंग रॉन्ग, इफ वी डोंट लिसन टू देम कि हाँ भाई क्या बोल रहा है, सिर्फ अपना ही बोल रहे हैं कि हाँ हमारा मेरे को ये वाला पॉइंट देना है, उसका नहीं सुन रहे. सो लिटिल बिट ऑफ अटेंशन इज रिक्वायर्ड एंड इट विल ऑल्सो गिव कि हाँ वो दूसरा गलत कर रहा है तो ये भी तुम देख रहे हो, कम से कम तुम्हें इतना थोड़ा सा अवेयरनेस है वहाँ पे, तुम्हारा प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड है वहाँ पे, तो दैट ऑल्सो गिव्स यू.
GP got the final narration.
Yes, yes. TP, I got the final narration.
Fatta Baldi, were you able to give ideas or what did you do on the ground?
Yes, I was very here also. I was average in the ground task. I was average. Sir was the sir used to
So
say
you are slightly better
yes,
than average.
Yes, he used to speak a lot, speak much and louder. And that time while I was practicing here, I got to know कि सबसे आगे नहीं रहना है. ये मैंने सोचा था मतलब कि हाँ ठीक है, अगर आपको चांस मिल रहा है, कोई बोल रहा है कि ग्रुप बोल रहा है तो जाओ, ठीक है आगे जाओ. बट और वहाँ पे क्योंकि when you are just in the always in the front, you will not able to know about what is happening behind the group. आपको किसको क्या लाना है. So I was just second in the group and I gave a lot of ideas in that. तो ये वाला कि आगे से टिकाना है, ये पीछे से दबाना है, ये वाला 80% टाइम तो यही काम करता है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे स्ट्रक्चर ऐसे होते हैं कि मतलब थोड़ा बड़ा बांधना होना भी कहीं पे आएगा, वो हर जगह नहीं आता. जो लास्ट में मतलब प्रोग्रेसिव है तो लास्ट में हार्ड होते होते जाता है तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आता है. बट जो मतलब फर्स्ट 3 होता है उसमें तो आपको बस दबाना, ये वाला ट्रिक काम आता है. और इसके और दूसरा ये था कि आई वाज वेरी अटेंटिव इन द GTO बिकॉज फर्स्ट टाइम ही आस्क्ड मी कि हाउ विल यू टेक आउट द रिमेनिंग पर्सन. सो आई टोल्ड हिम बिकॉज बट आई टुक टाइम. आफ्टर दैट आई वाज जस्ट मैपिंग इट हाउ वी विल टेक द लास्ट पर्सन. So before he asked me and I used to tell him कि yes sir, this is how we will take the last person. So that's how my ground task was also very good.
कितने लोगों ने आपको कमांड टास्क में एज ए सबऑर्डिनेट बुलाया था आपको?
कमांड टास्क में मुझे मतलब मैं ऑलमोस्ट 3 लोगों ने बुलाया था.
कितने का ग्रुप था आपका?
3 या 4 लोगों ने बुलाया था मुझे.
कितने लोग थे?
So 8 लोग, 8 पीपल्स ग्रुप था. तो 3 तो हमारे गुरुदेवा वाले ही हो गए, मतलब 2 तो मेरे को हटा के, तो उन्होंने बुलाया और 2 ने और बुलाया था मुझे.
This is important. You have to have good bond with team members. The GPO sees कि as a subordinate how many times you have been called. If nobody calls you, then it gives an indication he does not gel well with the group. So at least couple of people should call you in the command task, right? बाकी command task कैसे गया आपका?
Command task, sir, it was hard because I have to go from the one direction. It was a circular. As I was a lab assistant, so he told me it's a lab, important lab sample. You go from this way, but you will not able to return from this way. You have to find another way. And there was only 2 way. One was a scoop, one was just for the distraction. So command task, also I completed the command task with the help of subordinates. One thing I have done, मतलब of the SSB record, because while I got screened in and I was interacting with the other recommended candidates, NDA candidates. So I मतलब उनसे interact कर रहा हूँ तो they were saying कि हाँ हमारे ग्रुप से 3 बंदे recommended. So मैंने बोला यार ऐसे तो होता नहीं है, तो मतलब बोला my group was very good and there have been cases that almost 5 to 6 people from one group got recommended. So I thought कि तो मैंने क्या किया कि मैं गया, मेरे जो ग्रुप बनने वाला था, ग्रुप was not decided but I calculated कि हाँ कितने लोग होंगे किस ग्रुप में. सो आई टोल्ड हिम कि भाई ऐसा ऐसा होता है, ऐसा ऐसा होता है, डू नॉट परफॉर्म, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा रैश नहीं करना है, बहुत ज़्यादा वो नहीं करना है, हम सब रिकमेंड हो जाएंगे। मतलब उनको थोड़ा कन्विंस किया था मैंने पहले ही, तो प्रोसेस होने के पहले ही, तो उसकी वजह से ग्रुप थोड़ा शांत हो गया था बहुत ज़्यादा। तो 5 लोग इन कॉन्फ्रेंस इन हुए, जिसमें से 2 हमारे ग्रुप से हो गए। तो मुझे लगता है कि ये थोड़ा सा हेल्प किया था, तो ग्रुप को इंटरेक्ट करने में, मतलब ग्रुप से
आपके साथ दूसरा रेकमेंड होगा भी यही करना।
Yes, sir. असलम।
Anything about the interview?
Interview, it is only it is the ये जो FMR PSA it's taught here. I have narrated it. I've narrated it here many times, and I've memorized it by heart because I used to listen it. I recorded it as everyone have recorded it. I used to listen it, and for 2-3 months I've listened it while sleeping or while I am duty. So it was by heart, just like Hanuman Chalisa. मैंने इसको if I just awake me and tell me about your mother father, and I will tell it because it was by heart. So it helped me a lot because sometimes you get nervous in front of the interview. So if it is by heart, then it will give you some kind of कि हाँ इसको अच्छे से आता है, क्योंकि he knows कि हाँ by heart तो किया है कि नहीं किया है. And the other thing is your knowledge, because knowledge about the defense forces and knowledge about the defense equipment. And as I am a soldier, I have to get the knowledge about my organization AMC. So
whichever course you are doing or whichever branch you are from, whichever subjects you are studying, you should have thorough knowledge about it. You should definitely have thorough knowledge about it.
Yes, and the other thing that gave me little edge in the interview, because I had read lot of books. I had read lot of books from 2 years. I have read almost 25 to 30 books. So he asked me which book I like most and famous quotes. Like I read the meditations. I told him about what should be the duties, and if I have the capability, I should do it. And also I read Bhagavad Gita. I told him about the verses of Bhagavad Gita. So how it improved my mindset and how it made me more confident and all. So in the interview part, because everyone does not have that, as a soldier, everyone does not have that time and space बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ने का, बहुत ज़्यादा इसका. So that gave me little edge in the interview.
कुछ होना चाहिए आपके पास. जैसे किसी बुक्स पढ़ता था, आपको चाहे स्पोर्ट्स का नॉलेज लीजिए, चाहे डिफेंस का नॉलेज लीजिए, कुछ तो करके आइए. मतलब कुछ भी नहीं आता मुझे और मुझे ले लो, ऐसे नहीं होगा. कुछ किसी चीज में, नॉट नेसेसरी बुक्स, इट कैन बी स्पोर्ट्स, इट कैन बी फिजिकल फिटनेस, इट कैन बी रनिंग, इट कैन बी सिंपल. कुछ चीज तो आनी चाहिए ना, जो आप वहाँ पे प्रस्तुत कर सको कि मैं इस चीज में अच्छा हूँ. Any other different question? Did the interviewer ask you, have you taken any coaching? Did the GTO ask you, have you taken any coaching? And what did you say?
Yes, they asked me, have you
Both interviewer and GTO.
They firstly asked me, have you taken what improvement have you done this time that you got screened in? So I told him about what are the things that I've done, stories, and I've narrated with my friend, discussed it and all. And he also asked me, have you taken any guidance from anywhere else? मैंने बोला yes sir, I have taken coaching classes from Gurudeva Academy. So he asked me how it helped you. So I told him that I was not very confident in narrating the story, and also they told me how to take lead, and also there are many people, there are many candidates, there are many aspirants here with whom I got many knowledge, and I got very inspiration from them also. So that's and GTO also asked me about have you taken any coaching classes. So I told him yes, I have taken, because if you have told the interviewer you should not lie about coaching. So I did not lie anything in the interview. I did not overshow myself. The thing that I have done, I have complete knowledge about it. And as I was an athlete, and I used to do 3000 meter. So I told him, he asked me about it, and I told him how I used to play and how what are the challenges in it, and that gives you a little bit knowledge. As sir said, knowledge is more important, and mostly defense knowledge, because if you are going for it, and in my VAT also I have written I would say India and defense related almost. My 50% VAT was on that also. So my knowledge shown in that, and in attack also, and in the lecture my topic was defense technology. There are various topics. There are themes कि they will ask you about yourself, कि हाँ आपको पूछेंगे कि my first day in uniform, my first day in school, or first day in job, and environment basis, road traffic and management, ये सब. So I took the defense technology, and I was very, I thought it's very good, because I thought that this topic is for myself. मुझे तो इसमें आता ही है. So I told them about from the World War I, and how the Germans were surprised with their jets to the Americans, and to the Cold War, and from India's defense technology, how our future defense technologies are going to be, AMCA and all, everything, UAVs. So it was good, because that helped me a lot, because the defense knowledge will definitely help you a lot. So with interest I would say कि हाँ defense के बारे में ज़रूर जानो, because it is as a responsibility.
क्यों नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए? अब जा रहे हो SSB, बाकी चीजें आप देखते रहते हो, फोन पे बंद कर दो थोड़े दिन ये सब देखो, मतलब it helps. Yeah, मतलब of course he has got lot of knowledge. ऐसा नहीं है कि इनके जितना knowledge नहीं होगा तो सिलेक्ट नहीं हो सकते, इससे भी हो सकते. इनका इंटरेस्ट था उस फील्ड में, इन्होंने लिखा था PIQ में कि उसको इंटरेस्ट है ये सब पढ़ने के लिए. ठीक है, आपको जो इंटरेस्ट है आप वो पढ़िए, पर कुछ अच्छा चीजें देखिए. जब तक लाइफ में कुछ अचीव नहीं करते, कुछ अच्छा चीज पढ़िए, अच्छा चीज सुनिए, और क्यों नहीं हेल्प करेंगे. Anything special they asked you in the conference, or it was just
in the conference? I think I was not sure that time कि मैं हो जाऊंगा recommend, but they did not ask me anything like doubtful questions नहीं थे उनके. They only asked me how would you rate yourself.
क्या बोला आपको?
So I told them about I would rate myself 8 out of 10.
It's always the best answer. 8 is the best answer. When they ask you, 8 is the best answer.
Yes.
Yeah.
I would have rated myself 9, because so he said कि why would you rate yourself 8 only, and so he told me to describe in the separated in the psych and GTO and interview part. So I told 8 in the psych and 8 in the interview and 9 in the GTO, because my GTO was very good. And there was no any error in the GTO. So GTO gave me the edge, and interview you will not sure how the interview goes, because if it is very bad then you will notice कि हाँ बहुत खराब गया, but you will not be able to assess yourself in the interview कि हाँ भी मेरा interview कहाँ गया, मतलब खासकर वहाँ पे रहते हुए you will not be able to assess yourself. And in the psych also they asked me why would you rate yourself 8 in the psych. So I said I was not able to complete the SRT. So I should have completed the SRT, but I was not able to complete. So I 47 SRTs only. So I would rate myself 8. And in the interview part, I was not able to describe the finances, because he as this earning person, I should know about I should know about the finances. But I was explaining him, and he countered me with another question. So I was
all the working people, it's a fixed question that they are going to ask you. How do you spend your whatever are your earnings? How do you bifurcate them? You should have a correct, accurate, solid answer on that. Yeah.
So that time they asked me what do you wanted to add extra in the finance part. So I said while I was explaining, the interviewer sir has encountered another question with me. So I just wanted to say that I had investment in the mutual funds. That I did not tell him at that time. So I had mutual fund investment in the mutual fund. So I told him that how much money in my mutual fund goes and how much in my provident fund goes. So all the things. That was the conference. And
the results were announced.
yes, and the result got announced, and goosebump is there.
Right. So So I think we are really grateful that students came all the way, but we couldn't have come also. कल ही जा रहे हो ना, कल जा रहे हो? Kal he is going, he has to report for his training or whatever induction it is called, and he will get commissioned in December. And then next time, if he happens to come here, then we will of course see stars on his shoulder there. So absolutely wonderful, Suraj. Thank you for coming. Anybody wants to ask him anything? But you can meet him personally also. But in general, anybody wants to ask him anything, any major, any big question, right? He is there while walking. You can, of course, he doesn't have much of time. He has to wind up his things from here and he has to move there. But thank you, students. Simply superb that you came here, and coming all India rank 15 is not a mere achievement. That also after getting screened out twice. There are many people who are screened out here, so there's a glimmer of hope for them. Anybody can't do it. And screened out is just, don't count screen outs. कोई भी screen out हो सकता है. So don't think that you are getting screened out that you are not fit. It's a complete different ball game. But yes, 4 बार बोला है वो PPT में, 4 बार बोला है. You have to present yourself. I'm not saying 6 बार बोलो, 4 बार ही बोला, 2 बार तो 2-3 बार भी अगर आप नहीं बोल सकते GD में, then you are not going to get selected. Another thing we learned from him, उसने एक safe simple story बोला है, cleanliness पे, जो उसको पता था, उसको आता है, वही story उसने narrate किया है. पहले उसने ensure किया कि मैं screen में हो जाऊँ, उसके बाद उसने बोला है वो एकदम ये नहीं था, वो सबको मिला के चलता था. दूसरा आइडिया दे रहा है, उसमें बोलता था तू भी आ गया, यू ऑल्सो परफॉर्म, एकदम आगे मैं फर्स्ट में हूँ नहीं था. लेकिन फिर उसके परफॉर्मेंस इतने अच्छे थे कि उसको फाइनल समराइजेशन मिला है, उसको कमांड टास्क में लोगों ने बुलाया है, उसको जीडी में लोगों ने मौका दिया है. सो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स वेंट इन हिज फेवर. दैट वाज नॉट एनी लक, दैट वाज बिकॉज़ हिज परफॉर्मेंस वाज सच. सो आई थिंक yes just it's a template, it's not for him, it's a common template for all, that what you have to do in the interview. जो आता है वो बोलो, जो नहीं आता है वो मत बोलो. साइकोलॉजी इतना प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, इसके बाद भी अगर आप 12 स्टोरीज और 60 WATs नहीं कर पाएंगे, then there is something wrong. SDT, most of the tests we are checking, SDTs are very bad. Prepare a good SDT, 8-9 lines and bug it up. SDT तो फिक्स है, वहाँ पे पूछना ही है. Blank story तो फिक्स ही है, वहाँ पे लगानी है. इसमें stories लिखे ज़्यादा डिफेंस में, he's a soldier. You can't copy his stories. You have to write your own stories. It's hard. It's not that hard. People who are sincere in practicing, why will you not make it? Seats are there to grab. So you will make it. So we'll end this session by giving one last big round of applause.